Hey everybody, and welcome back to the series where I take you through the process of getting funded by Apex Trading. Today, my video is a little earlier because I broke my rules and I hit my max loss for the day. So just want to be totally transparent about this. I am currently going through the evaluation process or the combine account for the Apex $50,000 funded account. And today I hit my max loss. I tripped my RTrader Pro max loss settings and I've been locked out of my account. So let's take a look at the account here. So currently sitting at $50,367.65. As you can see, my max loss is $200, and with commissions and slippage, $215.20 loss today. So that trips my max loss and locks me out of my account for the rest of the day. So I can only sim trade for the rest of the day if I choose to, but I think I'm just gonna walk away, do this video, and come back on Monday fresh. So let's take a look at the daily chart and what I was thinking, where I went wrong, and then let's see if we can mitigate this going forward, because there's plenty of risk controls between Sierra Chart and RTrader Pro that I can make sure that, one, I'm not taking too much size, or two, blowing past my stop loss or any of that nonsense, right? So let's start on the daily chart again here. Currently still kicking around this daily supply. We sold down, kind of finding a little bit of a bottom here. This is an hourly demand zone, daily demand zone. Let's jump into the 60 minutes chart, the 1 hour chart. So this is kind of the range that we've been looking at. That's the daily, hourly supply, hourly supply, hourly supply, daily or hourly demand, another hourly demand from the overnight pre-market session. And I think what I was trying to do today, we're short the high a day, which, wasn't really the best idea, unfortunately. Let me just open up my account here so you can see what's going on. These are my executions. So we pushed up a little bit, sold off, caught a bid here on the demand zone, pushed up into this area, started to really slow down, and I started to scale in with like a stop over the high a day here, over the hourly demand zone or the hourly supply zone, and gave myself a little bit of room over top. 4, 2, 2, so total of 8. That's double my usual size. And that's exactly where I went wrong today. I was trading double my size. My stop was a little wider because I wanted to account for, a little bit of slippage over the high if we did get the trap trade, like the liquidity sweep on the high a day, which we did not get. We started making a flat top, broke out, stopped out. This is me trying to like panic sell as well into the stop out. So there's an extra little order there, unfortunately, but that was my day. Pretty frustrating, to be quite honest, and honestly completely self-inflicted. I could have waited for the sweep a high a day and then entered. Maybe if I did want to try this, I'd just keep my stop tight over the previous high. Didn't do that. I just got sucked in. This is exactly what people are looking to try and take advantage of when they're buying up these lows. It's like, okay, we hit a top here. People start buying the lows, thinking if anybody's shorting into this area, their stops are going to be over the high, and then you get that nice squeeze up, 10-point squeeze over the highs, and now we're kind of selling off. I'm not going to pay attention to what's going on with the rest of the day, but so let's look at the trade breakdown. Where's that one? Let's go to the trade summary for today. One trade, negative 205, and this is obviously pre-commissions, any of that nonsense. So that's what my day looked like, just the one trade, too big a size, gave it too much room, hit me out. That's a silly trade, and I can admit that. So what I'm going to do is open up my global settings here in Sierra Chart. Where's this? Symbol settings. What I'm going to do here is use global trade position limit. I'm going to limit that to 5 contracts. That means that I can only trade 5 contracts total. If I go to MES here, where's this apply intraday? Apply these settings when new instance started. That should limit me to only ever trading 5. So usually my position's 4. I want to keep 5 just in case I'm able to tighten up my stop loss and take one more. Or if I get one more on an ad, like a good ad, I can only take one more. And that'll be my new max trading limit there. Also, let's take a peek at the week. So Tuesday was good, pretty small, 1 hour day, 1.5 hour day. Wednesday, great. Thursday, great. Friday, obviously a loss, so that leaves us at $262.52 before commissions on the week. Like I said, we're at $50,367.65 out of the $3,000 profit target that I need to make in order to get in order to pass the evaluation for the Apex Trading funded accounts. So we still got a ways to go here. I guess we're 1/10 of the way, a little bit more. So still plenty of work to do here. Obviously trying to find consistency. Also, what we should do here is do a quick calculation on my average winning day. So that was 262 approximately divided by 3 winning days. So that's $87. And my max loss is 205. So what I think I'm going to do is change my max loss to $100. Because that way my average winning day is a little bit less than my max loss. So that would obviously limit the amount of risk I'm able to take, but usually my risk is within, $50, $60. That allows me two trades. If I keep it tight, 3. If I do well, you know what? Maybe it should be $150. So we'll bring it down by 25%. $150 max loss going forward. That would have kept us a little bit better on the week. So I'm going to make that adjustment. I hope you guys had a good end to your week, had a green trading week, had a good day today, and I'll see you all on Monday. So have a fantastic weekend, and we'll start fresh on Monday. Cheers.